Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a scatter chart or dot chart on your canvas sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a scatter chart on your canvas sheet mobile, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just going to select the data. So first is just going to select the data range here. Just drag it and just select the data range. Then just click on the elements option on the bottom. Then you just need to select the option called chart. Click on the see all option. Then you just need to scroll down and you can find option called scatters and dot chart. Click on the see all option and click on the first option called scatter plot. Click on this and you can just insert the scatter plot here. And here in data, you can just change the data value if you just need it, and customize. Here you can just add legends and axis labels and also some other more settings. Now just going to customize the colors into red, so it's actually look great. And also you have this option to as a marker, so you can just increase the marker size, and also the designs can be customized. That's too super. And you can have this option on the canvas sheets on your mobile phone. This is the way that you can just insert the canvas sheets, that the scatter chart on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.